All right, guys, my heart is starting to flutter. I think I just fell in love. You guys know I'm a Road King guy. And the new Road King Special is the prettiest thing out there. That is a beautiful bike. This is the one with the 107. I love that matte black finish. I am pumped, guys. This bike has 29 miles on it. Whew. This Road King feels good. I love these handlebars. I love that they don't have a fairing on it, or a windshield, because windshields are dumb. And this bike is so smooth. The Dynas and the Softails, they just don't have this smoothness like the touring bikes do. Man, this feels nice. Rider perfection. These handlebars, almost perfect. They're not quite mini apes, a little bit lower than that, but they just feel amazing. The throttle response is so tight. The brakes are extremely responsive. I love the sound of it. And it's just so incredibly clean. Just so clean. I love the way the Road King handles. This one already has the crash bars on it. Man. It's just hard not to love this bike. The best thing about the Road King is you could look at a bike like mine, a 2003 Road King, which is legit. How old is that? That's like 17 years old. Or you look at something like this. This is the 15. No, 17. I don't know. I guess my eye. It's old. You look at something like this, something brand new, and yeah, there's so many things that they made it better, but it's still the same bike. I mean, and I'm saying that in a good way. It's still the Road King. It still is the heart of the Road King. You know, that front headlight, the bars, just, you know, the way it looks. You always know it's a Road King, but you know, just from looking at them. And that's what I love about Harley. They can improve the things that they need to, that they want to improve, but they're not trying to reinvent the wheel every time. They already made an amazing bike. They made something beautiful. They made something fun. I'm gonna stay back a little bit, and then I'm gonna get on it. Tons of power. I've ridden tons of CVO Road Kings, you know, with the 110 in it. I've not ridden them back to back. I've not just ridden one, but I would go so far to say that this 107 is probably pushing out just as much as the old CVO 110s did, and is smoother. It's just so smooth, so refined. Man, it's a great bike. What's up, guys? Sean here from Srkcycles. And thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see more content. And as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.